All right, pre-K, welcome to day 2 of theme. Today we are going to start actually drawing our sunflower on our watercolor paper. So go ahead and grab the watercolor paper. You're also going to need a cup of water. You're going to need your watercolors. You're going to need a pencil, and you're going to need a black pen, either a Sharpie or just another black pen that you can use to outline. Okay, so pause the video, go get those things, and come on back. Okay, pre-K, today, and I've gone a little bit ahead of you, today you're going to draw with your pencil the real sunflower that you're going to paint. So you can see here that I've actually want to make a few more. You can see I did exactly what we did the other day, and now I'm just making, you can see I didn't trace super carefully on some of those. We're gonna wanna do a little better job next time. Okay, maybe another layer over here. Okay, so after I've drawn my circle and I've drawn my petals of my sunflower, I'm going to take my black pen or my Sharpie and I'm going to just trace over what I did with my pencil. This helps give us some outline. And if you need to pause the video, you can catch up and do all this before you watch all this, but isn't that nice? Okay, and then I'm gonna dot the middle, because remember, where do the seeds grow? They grow right in there. You can draw a lot or a little. Anything is fine. Okay, there we go. So that's actually all that you're going to do for Wednesday. On Friday, we're actually going to paint. So you can go ahead and stop the video for now and then come back to this point for Friday's video, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, pre-K, this is Friday's video now. So you have drawn your circle, you've drawn your petals, you've traced them with your black marker. And so now we're going to paint with watercolor. Now remember, when we paint with watercolor, we're painting with water first, and then we're painting with color. So I'm going to start by painting the center of my flower with water. And then I'm going to go back and dip and get my brown. And I'm gonna go over, now I'm doing this, this is gonna be messy. I'm doing this on an easel, so you shouldn't do watercolor on an easel, by the way. You should do it on a flat desk, because you don't want it to slide all the way down. But it was the easiest for me to show you what to do. Okay. So yours hopefully will be a little darker than mine. I'm not gonna make mine too dark because I don't want it to go everywhere. But you can kind of see here, you can put the center to be all brown. Now remember, you're gonna need to let that dry for a few minutes because you don't want the brown to go into your petals. So you can go ahead and pause the video and come back to it when your brown looks dry. Okay, everybody. Here, I am starting to paint the petals of my sunflower with water. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna grab yellow, because most of the sunflowers that we see around us are really yellow. But you know what? Mr. Hilt sometimes will grow sunflowers that have some orange in them. So if you want to, or even a little tiny bit of red, but don't go crazy. If you wanted to add a little bit of orange into your sunflower, you can. Okay, I just took a little bit of orange there and added it in so it becomes a little bit of a darker. But yeah, we're just painting with water, and then we're painting with paint, and we're gonna paint all the way around. Now notice I'm kind of just going around when I'm near the center, but when I go out toward the petals, to the ends of the petals, I'm gonna be a little more careful. Notice I'm kind of trying to get my brush in between each one so it's nice and neat. We don't want to just have a free-for-all all around our picture, okay? So I'm trying to be careful so that I don't get a lot of drips, but you know, it's okay if you get drips. Painting is fun. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and just get a little red, a little orange, just a little bit, just to make it a little more interesting. Just add that in. Oh, that looks like fun. I can't wait to see the videos that you will make, or the pictures of the sunflowers that you're gonna make. So if your parents wanna take a picture of it and send it to me, or if they wanna have a video of you making yours, I would love to see it. Diligent Dan would love to see it, because he kind of misses you guys, and I do too. So there is a little bit of my finished watercolor. You can see it seeping down a little bit because I have it upright, but yours will look even better than mine because it'll be flat on a table. You can kind of see it dripping down into there. Kind of fun. Well, I hope you had a good time painting, and I'd love to see pictures and videos of you guys doing your own paintings. So go ahead and send them, and I'll put them up on the Microsoft Teams page that we're doing for our class. So hope you have a great day. Bye.